Hi everyone, we will be discussing the Alamit Palengke fresh meat straight to your door. So the problem here is that busy people spends a lot of time going to the market which could be used for the rest of other tasks. It also had for elderly people and PWDs because the floor can be slippery and the place is crowded. Plus, unlike supermarkets, market trips takes more effort and expose shoppers to heat. So our solution here is a delivery app that brings fresh meat from trusted vendors straight to your door. It combines order from multiple stalls into a single delivery, saving time and making shopping safer and easier. So our goal is to serve many people with affordable prices. Here's what we provided. The first one is fair prices. We add only a small 5% markup plus a 20 pesos service fee so prices are similar to other delivery apps. Second is fresh meat. Delivery takes less than 30 minutes so the meat stay fresh like buying it yourself. And the third is trust. We have a rating system so only top rated stalls fulfills order.
For our Tam, Sam, and Som, we made sure to use the yearly meat spend based on the average food budget of households with 4 or 5 people. This is also in turn with our 5% markup, wherein at our TAM is for all Palenque goers across Calabarzon. Our SAM is for tech literate market goers in Batangas, and our SOM is 10% off our SAM in 3 years. For our TAM, with all market goers in Calabarzon, we have 2.35 billion pesos per year. Our SAM is for 290 million pesos per year. And our SOM in 3 years would be 29 million pesos per year.
So for the software and hardware implementation, build on the Flutter for real-time synchronization between the customer and shopper and the pricing database. A vendor rating database that update based on consumer feedback from order accuracy, time, and freshness. Digital weighing scale is the meat is pricing is highly dependent on weight accuracy, making the deployment of the proprietary load cell weighing scales most impactful.
This app design was made to accommodate user needs by simplifying the UI. We made it easier for customers to use this app. This allows customers to browse and buy directly from vendors like Stall Marie. Once a stall is selected, buyers can easily choose their desired meat cuts.
For our hardware, our digital weighing scale, these are the components based on 1,000 units per component to lower the actual cost per component. And we used online international Chinese markets to also lower the price. So our total cost to make is 800 pesos and our selling price will be 1,000 pesos.
From the list of components, this was the design that I came up with. The casing includes all components inside. The only visual component here is the display and the buttons.
To start our business model canvas, we have the value proposition. This is the core of our business. Second, we have the customer segment, which is our target users. Channels is how we reach our customer, and customer relationship is how we interact with the users. For the key partners, this is who helps the business run. For key activities, these are main operations. Key resources is what we need, and cost structure is where our money goes. And lastly, the revenue streams is how we earn.
So thank you for listening to our pitch and thank you for your time.